Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. Have you not yet upgraded to iOS 26, or you are not satisfied with the new iOS version and want to downgrade to an older version? You may be wondering whether we can really downgrade an iPhone from iOS 26 to iOS 18, or install any unsigned IPSU files. Let's find out the answer. If you want to upgrade to iOS 26, introducing ReiBoot, a powerful tool designed to resolve various iOS issues, including upgrade and downgrade capabilities. Please follow the steps. Download and install ReiBoot on your computer. Connect your iPhone, select iOS Upgrade, and choose Upgrade. ReiBoot will automatically identify the latest iOS 26 release and the beta version. Then you need to download the corresponding firmware. After this, update your iPhone within minutes, without any further delays or complications, and enjoy the new features of iOS 26 immediately. But you might know that downgrading iOS devices can be tricky. We need to visit the IPSW website to see which iOS versions are currently valid for your device. Usually, only the latest version, such as iOS 26, is available, and some iOS files we want currently do not exist and cannot be downgraded. This is because Apple only allows downgrades to signed iOS versions for security reasons and product iteration. Using old iOS files for downgrading can be risky and is generally not something Apple wants you to do. Therefore, if you want to safely downgrade to a specific iOS version before entering the unsigned file section, you can use ReiBoot to achieve this. It provides various available iOS files for upgrades or downgrades, such as you can obtain iOS 18 on an old iPhone. If Apple suddenly allows the signing of old iOS versions, or if the software supports them, you can utilize ReiBoot to downgrade your phone. By simply clicking the downgrade button and downloading the appropriate firmware, you can downgrade your phone without errors. Just wait a few minutes. You can revert to a previous version, thereby enhancing your experience with a more stable system. In the past, tools like Future Restore, AirSquared, and Delay OTA could potentially downgrade, but this method can damage the phone and is no longer reliable. The best advice is to avoid updating your device in the first place, or to downgrade with safe tools like iTunes or ReiBoot without jailbreaking. I know it can be disappointing, but there may be changes in the future where we can get the old iOS back. Keep an eye on ReiBoot or IPSW to see if that becomes available. If this information helps, like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.